Hi guys, I was doing the same video now and I didn't even see it was gonna end, so I didn't want to restart the video because I've been doing a good job. But if you saw part 1, then you're on track. If you didn't, then go to my channel and you will see it. Okay, so I was busy by the pink now. Guys, you know what's weird? The star's like looking like it's saying a lot. Okay, now in the middle I'm gonna do like a red, vibrant, pink something. Okay. Okay, guys, I've done this before, but never on my video, so I know how it's gonna look, but you guys aren't gonna know how it looks. Okay, my lips are really looking, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be also doing lip glosses. No one said I don't have to. But anyways, okay, now my favorite part is the glitter. I'm going to need, I'll use this brush. Okay, so we gotta go for the pink. Okay, then I'm gonna like just add like around the stars, glitter. I've never done going around the stars with glitter, but I think it's actually gonna look so good. And you can do the same like me. Not gonna lie, it's actually so cute. Like if you ever go somewhere and you wanna like just look cute and fabulous, you can be a star, and you don't really need to do my color. You can. Wouldn't it be nice to like do? On the next video, I might be doing blue and purple. It would be so nice. But vote. You can put in the comments what color you think I can do next. So I've already not did red and pink. So yeah, don't need to comment that. Unless you can use red again, but not with red and pink. You know, like add something different. And then I'll do it. But just to let you know, this is my only color palette I have here. So you can't put gold, silver, and black. I have only these here. So yeah. Just wanna get it like nice on, so you can like see. Okay. Okay guys, now the final result. I'm gonna be pausing the video just to get tweezers. Okay guys, I'm back with the tweezers. It was really quick. I don't know why I had to pause the video, but you know, I don't want to waste time. Okay, so time for the reveal. We're gonna do the first one. I knew I was gonna do that. I knew. And look at the star. Like